Hey guys, Chip Wynn Classics. I've got in a new arrival, a 1967 Chevelle Malibu 283 automatic factory air car. This is a beautiful car. Nick, let me show you the motor. It's all dressed out nice and clean. Cold air. We just did a complete tune-up on it. New alternator.
Jeff, that engine compartment's gorgeous.
Yes, this is a nice car. This is a solid car. It's clean as it is on top as it is underneath. It's got the factory rally wheels on it, like new Grand Am tires. The paint on this car is a 9.9 out of 10. It's straight as an arrow. Beautiful black, nice black vinyl top. Look on here, this appears a bucket seat car. Console with factory clock. Everything works on the car. AM, FM, CD player. It's got new carpet in it. All the chrome and stainless on this car is like new. I mean, this car came out of a museum. It was in the museum for about 15 years, and we bought it and got her all shined up and ready to sell.
All right, guys, I'm on the inside. Jeff had to go wait on some customers, so you got me again here. This interior is just amazing. It doesn't look like brand new carpet. I don't know if this is new, upholstery or not, but it all looks brand new. So I'm gonna do this test drive by myself, try to. So let's go, let's hit it. So as Jeff will tell you a little bit later on, we do have somebody. Wait a minute, there's a CD playing. Where's music coming from? There's a somebody left a CD in this car. Well, now I want to see what it is. See what it is. What we got? Hall and Oates, starting all over again. We'll put that back in there. That's a keeper. Okay, so we talked a little bit earlier about shipping, financing, but we can ship just about anywhere. I don't want to say anywhere in the world, because I'm sure there's some places. Sorry about that, I just about dropped my camera. I'm sure there's some places we can, but we've shipped stuff out of different ports to go overseas. Mexico, Canada, several times to Canada. We're working on one for Canada right now. So shipping's always an option. Car runs straight, drive straight. I'm not touching the steering wheel now. Blinkers are working. Brakes work. Probably should have tested the brake part before I took off, but I was trusting Jeff that he wouldn't lie to me. Drive's great. It's very smooth. Ticket going through the park. So again, the shipping, we have enclosed trailers, we have open trailers depending on what you want, but again, we've shipped just about everywhere there is to ship, so don't let that be a problem if you're watching this from far away. We are in Paducah, Kentucky. If you're in Paducah, Texas, don't worry about it, we'll get it to you. We can do a lot more videos for you too, so if there's some videos of anything specific you'd like, we can do that underneath, or whatever I might have forgotten to film in this trip. Let me know and I'll get you something. far, guys, everything seems to be going really well. Of course, I haven't gotten it on the interstate or anything, and I'm not gonna. That's a little ways off, but it runs and drives and handles great. Fuel gauge works. Everything seems to work. I don't have a tack or anything, but we don't have any lights on, so that's good.
I've got financing on these classics. We have 4 different lenders. You can go to my website, www.chipwinnclassics.com, fill out an application. They only require 10% with a good credit score. Or you can call me or come by. My phone number is 270-443-1728. We're at 3174 Park Avenue, Paducah.